Today we are going to ask public test, but when we Gundam times, last time we do Gundam, but when tomorrow we do play, we do waffle contest. But when you do public test or Lego, please tell your parents to play with you or organize your, because when you don't know how to build it, so parents no need to walk in house, so he cannot no need to rest, so he can do my brother things. And public test is just a toys. But when you do science, grab a paper and put out one day. When one day he has a fire, so you have to ask a fire engine or your parents come too. But when you do it, please put your gloves and boots. Don't wear boots or boots is for wet. But you have to wear soccer shoes. So please listen to this video. Tomorrow, bye. Bye. Everyone, please subscribe. So when my channel have 10 so when I have 30 subscribers, I will create a new video for everyone to watch. So see you next time.